Drift Enterprise iMarketing Pricing explained what you get for your money. Drift Enterprise iMarketing is designed to help businesses accelerate lead generation and conversions through intelligent, AI-driven conversations. Most people get this wrong. They think it's only about chat, but Enterprise combines AI, live chat, account-based marketing tools, and automation at scale. Pricing is custom, depending on the number of users, leads, and advanced features like AI routing and integrations. Large teams managing complex sales pipelines will invest more, but gain unlimited seats, priority support, and enterprise-grade security. Key features include AI chatbots, automated lead routing, conversational marketing campaigns, analytics dashboards, and integrations with CRM and email platforms. Teams can engage prospects in real time, qualify leads automatically, and track campaign performance efficiently. The main advantage is accelerating sales while improving customer experience. Drift AI reduces manual follow-ups, ensures timely responses, and provides insights to optimize marketing strategies. Enterprise analytics help teams measure ROI and adjust campaigns dynamically. In conclusion, Drift Enterprise iMarketing Pricing reflects the value of a platform that merges AI-powered automation with marketing intelligence. For companies focused on scaling lead generation, improving conversion rates, and enhancing customer engagement, this plan delivers the tools, insights, and support needed to succeed.